Welcome to Feet Off Ground. Today I'm going to show you how to set up our very own Feet Off Ground ratchet system. So just grab the fixed end on the webbing, flip it through the one carabiner, and then you want to just screw the screw gate closed, and then just do a one turn back. Once you've run the webbing down the other end, you'll see we've also placed the tree protection and the sling on this end. We put one carabiner on, and we've got our ratchet here. Now on the ratchet, it's also got a little loop here, a sewn loop. You want to clip that through the carabiner and make sure that the ratchet lever is facing down. Once you've done that, screw the screw gate closed on the carabiner, do a half turn back or a turn back. So now you want to grab the end of the webbing and you want to feed it through this little gap here. Okay, so you want to keep the webbing flat and just feed it through and make sure the webbing goes down and underneath the ratchet. Now you want to keep the webbing in the center of the ratchet so the webbing doesn't get wrecked, and you want to just pull the end of the webbing until the line has a little bit of hand tension in it. Keep pulling it through towards the anchor on the other end. Keep pulling it through until it's got some tension in there. Now, with the lever here, you want to just push it back and forth, and making sure that the webbing still stays in the center there. Keep pulling it back and forth until it reaches your desired tension. I think that looks pretty good to me. Now, you want to lock off the ratchet. To do that, you want to pull the ratchet towards the top until you hear a clicking sound. Like that. You should hear a click, a fine click. And then that's locked, so that shouldn't come off. So now we're just going to back up the ratchet system. So you want to grab the end of the webbing that's coming out of the ratchet and wrap it around the tree. Then you want to just do a simple overhand knot. Now you are ready to detension. So you want to just undo the knot that you've done, the overhand knot. So just feed it back through itself, unravel it, and then just grab the webbing and just run it around, back over around the tree. You detension the ratchet. You've got a little lever here, which you want to put 2 fingers or 3 fingers if you can fit it. And you want to be pulling this lever, this small lever, back towards the big lever, like so. Now, once you've done that, you want to pull the ratchet back on the other end, and you hear a click, and you want to keep pushing up, all the way up, until you can see the webbing feed it through. And now, you should be able to just pull the webbing back through the system, keeping the webbing flat, through all the webbing